this is where we're at, folks. We are down here Thursday, Friday. We're going to review and take the test. Yay. It's the last assignment for trimester 2. Yay. Okay. So what are we doing today? I've got a couple announcements I'm going to run past you. We're going to play a Kahoot review game. And if you stick with me to the end, I will sprinkle in a couple extra credit points into your grade for that quiz, for the Unit 7 quiz. Okay, so that's what we've got. Announcements. Make sure that you come to class next week. So we will have this class on Monday, so make sure that you're here on Monday. It will be a short session, but it is required. If something comes up and you cannot physically attend the live session, you'll still need to access the class content. I'm still taking attendance. And come to your other classes too. Go to your other classes. Thursday and Friday of next week, you will be meeting with your advisory teacher. Your advisory teacher will give you more information tomorrow during advisory. Or maybe they'll post it in an announcement, something like that. Okay. So we're almost done with the trimester. We need to talk for just a second about, I'm gonna move my little face here. We need to talk about late work. So I am accepting late work until next Wednesday for most people. So if you check your grade right now and you have an A, a B, a C, a P, or an NC, you have until next Wednesday to turn your work in. I will not be accepting any late work after next Wednesday. The sooner you get it in, the sooner I can get it in, and the sooner you feel good about your grade. Now, if you are sitting at this incomplete, so if you check Skyward and Skyward says incomplete, that means you are so close to passing that you may have until the end of the week, maybe longer. I got to check on that. But you can get a couple extra days if you're really super close to passing. Okay. You're like, this new system is a little confusing. Why are we doing this? Why can't it just be A, B, C, D, E, F? The reason why we do this is because it benefits your GPA. So this is every single class you have gets assigned a point value based on your grade. What you do is you add up all your grades and then you divide them by the number of classes you have, and that's your GPA. I'm like, oh, I didn't read that. Yep, that's how you get your GPA. So let's say you have 5 classes. You have an A, a B minus, a C plus, a B, and then there's one of them that are sitting at an F or an NC right now. Your GPA would normally be a 2.4, but because we're not going to add that 0 in the calculations, it bumps your GPA up a little bit. It makes it a little bit softer, a little bit easier to digest. If I'm wrong, please correct me, but this is my understanding of why we're doing modified grades. It helps your GPA. So what you want to make sure though is while the NC helps your GPA, you are still responsible for obtaining that credit for graduation. So if you have an F or an NC in a math, science, an English, a history class right now, you're going to have to retake that at some point, whether it's in another trimester or whether it's summer school. So you have until Wednesday to get your NC up to an incomplete or a passing. You can still, there's people in this class who are sitting at an incomplete right now. You could end the trimester with the B. You just have to turn some more work in or retake your low scoring quizzes. Okay. I think that's all I have about late work and grades. There is a live question forum tonight. What's a forum? It's a meeting. So there's a live meeting that the school is going to be having at 6 p.m. tonight. And that's the link that you can watch it. So if you or your parent, your guardian have questions about what does returning to school look like, what does hybrid look like, what does trimester 3 look like, this is the time to get your questions answered from our administration. Okay. I will be putting this in the announcement so that you also have this link. Okay, that wraps up my announcements for today.